Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to focus on past tenses, all the types of past tenses. So I'm going to cover simple past tense, its form and uses, past continuous, its form and uses, past perfect and past perfect continuous, and the forms and the uses of both of them. So the objective is that by the end of the lecture, you will be able to understand all the forms and their uses of all the types of past tenses. Okay, so starting with the definition of past tense, basically a past tense verb is used to indicate an action, event, or condition that has happened in the past. So something that has happened in the past, for in order to explain that or identify that or mention that, we have to use past tense. Past tense has four aspects that talks about the completion of the event or action, and based on that, there are four types of past tenses: simple past tense, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So starting with the simple past tense, the form is the same for all person. That is, whether it is a first person or third person, singular or plural, it will remain the same. Okay, that is, he left at 3 o'clock. They arrived 3 weeks ago. It means second form of verb is used throughout for all the people. Now, if you talk about the uses, then a finished action in the past means something that happened in the past. For example, we met in 2007. So something that had happened in the past. Action that follow each other in a story. Now, if you talk about any story, then if the actions are happening one after the other, then we are supposed to use the past tense. Mary walked into the room and stopped. Okay, so something that happened in the story, because story present में नहीं होती, story जो भी अभी लिखी जा रही होती है वो past tense में ही होती है ज्यादातर. ठीक है. Third, the past simple tells a story in chronological order. Now, if something is in a chronological order, के एक के बाद दूसरी चीज हुई, दूसरी के बाद तीसरा step हुआ, then for that we use simple past tense. For example, Sue met Pitty at university. Met. Okay, simple past tense. Then they were together for 6 years. Were, here were helping verb is used, but this shows the use of past tense. Then they divorced last month. So again, now divorce basically is the past form of divorce. Okay, so if something, some story is in chronological order or some event is happening one after the other, then for that, something that happened in the past happened in order, then that, for that we use simple past tense. Now, past situation or habit, as I have mentioned in the previous class when we were discussing present, simple present tense, then if the habits are the same at the present time, then we use simple present tense. But here, when some actions were there in the past, okay, some habits were there in the past or some situation was there in the past, then for that we use past tense. For example, when I was a child, we lived in the small house by the sea. So this is when that particular person was a child. Okay, so this is situation or the habit that they used to live by the sea when they were small, when he was small, young. Okay, now regular and irregular verbs. Most regular verbs add ed to the base form of the verb. Basically, when we are changing the verb, simple verb form, first verb form to the second, or for making it a past tense, then there are two types of verbs that are there: regular verbs and irregular. Regulars are the one which, for which we can simply add ed to the main verb and it will become the past tense, right? But there are many common irregular verbs. For example, go, went, meet, met, see, saw. Okay, so these are known as the irregular verbs जिनकी फॉर्म बिल्कुल चेंज है, जिनमें सिर्फ ed लगा के सेकंड फॉर्म बन जाती है, वो कहलाते हैं रेगुलर वर्ब्स. और इरेगुलर वर्ब्स वो कहलाते हैं जिनकी फॉर्म, स्पेलिंग सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है. Acha, time expression is very important. Usually for the past tense, we mention the time expression so that things become more clear, right? For example, last night, 2 days ago, yesterday, last year. So time expression is usually mentioned in case it is related with anything past. Now let's talk about the past continuous tense. Now past continuous tense basically includes was and verb, that is the be form of the verb or the helping verb, was verb, plus verb plus ing, because it is continuous, so that's why ing form will be added. So they were driving to Paris. Were driving shows that this is continuous, ing, because of ing continuous form is there, and were shows that it is past. We weren't waiting for a long time. What were they doing? Okay, so these are the three types, three forms: the positive one, the negative one, and the question form. Okay, so you can easily see how the question form is made. Means were will go before the subject. Okay, what, and then were, and then the subject, and then the verb with ing form. Now let's talk about the uses of past continuous. Number one is to express activities in progress before and probably after a particular time in the past. ठीक है, तो past में कोई activity हो रही थी. At 7 o'clock this morning, I was having my breakfast. Okay, so 7 o'clock is a past. Right now, for example, right now it's almost 12. Yes, almost 12 p.m. Right, so at 7 o'clock in the morning, so it means this thing is a past event. Okay, and something was happening in the past, some action was going on in the past, some activity was going on in the past, so that's why for that we use past continuous tense, that is was having. Now if you want to describe anything in the past, then again we use past continuous tense. For example, Jane looked beautiful, she was wearing a green dress. Okay, so was wearing, describing something that was in the past. To express an interrupted past activity, when the phone rang, I was cooking. Okay, previously, again the past activity. To express an incomplete activity, now here something that is started in the past and it is still incomplete, whether you are going to complete it now or not, we are not sure about it. Okay, so for that we use past continuous. I was reading a book during the flight. Okay, past simple or continuous, sometimes both tenses are possible. The past simple focuses on past action as complete facts, and the past continuous focuses on the duration of past activity. Okay, so sometimes both the tenses are possible. अगर हम past की बात करें तो दोनों past में दोनों चीजें कह सकते हैं आप कि I cooked meal, I was cooking meal. ठीक है, I was, जैसे भी था, at 7 o'clock in the morning I was having breakfast. ठीक है, और या सिंपली आप कह सकते हैं कि I have I had my breakfast at um, I mean uh, at 7 o'clock. ठीक है, इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं, I took my breakfast. ठीक है. Okay, so basically the simple past focuses on the past action that are complete, and if you want to focus on the duration of the activity or some activity, then you can use past continuous. Like for example, I didn't see you at the party last night. Okay, if somebody is asking that where were you, I didn't see you in the party, so no, I stayed at home and watched the football. Okay, I stayed at home and watched the football is simple past tense, whereas here, no, I was watching the football at home. Okay, so I was watching something. Now here the focus is on that you were busy doing something. Okay, so that's why I was watching the football at home, whereas here the focus is that I was at home and I watched the football. Action पे ज़्यादा focus नहीं है. ठीक है, सिर्फ ये information है. Now past perfect. Perfect means completed before. Okay, so past perfect refers to an action in the past that was completed before another action in the past. Okay, so something that happened in the past, and again something that happened before that past. Like for example, let me explain it through the markers. Okay, So past perfect refer to an action in the past. Like for example, this is the present tense, ठीक है? And the past perfect refer to an action in the past that was completed before another action in the past. यानी ये past है और इससे पहले ये, दिस इज पास्ट परफेक्ट, ठीक है? पास्ट से पहले पास्ट परफेक्ट हुआ जिसका रिजल्ट पास्ट में नजर आ रहा है, और ये आपका प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस एंड दिस इज पास्ट perfect. Okay, and this is present tense. So past perfect refers to an action in the past that was completed before an action in the past. Like for example, form the same for all persons. Had plus past participle. I had seen him before. You hadn't finished work at 6 o'clock. Now this is the positive form, the negative form, and the question form. Okay, I had seen him before. You hadn't finished work at 6 o'clock. Where had you been before? Okay, so where were you? Where had you been before? Before what? Before any past event. Okay, I hadn't seen him before. Going back to the same slide, I hadn't seen him before this time. इससे रिलेशन देखा जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी और क्लियर हो जाएगा आगे. Uses to make clear that one action. Okay, to make clear that one action in the past happened before another action in the past. Like for example, when I got home, I found that someone had broken into my apartment and had stolen my DVD player. Okay, so I got home. You can see this, that I got home. Let me. Okay, so I got home is the past tense, and had broken and had stolen. This is something that had happened before. Going back to what I've explained in the previous slide. ये present है आपका, ये past है, and this is past perfect. So when I got home, ये कल की बात बता रहे हैं. When I got home, I found that someone had broken into my apartment and had stolen my DVD player. Means इस point पे इस past से पहले ये काम हो चुका है. ठीक है, जब आप पहुंचे तो ये काम हो चुका था. सो इट मीन्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट, यू हैव टू यूज past perfect. The past perfect can be used to tell a story in the different order. Now, for example, in the previous, when I was just telling you about simple past tense, so वो कोई past में एक chronological order में कोई event हुआ है तो आप उसके लिए simple past tense use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, past में अगर कोई event हुआ. लेकिन if the case is different, if you are not following the chronological order but a different one, then you can use past perfect tense as well. Like for example, Sue and Kitty divorced last month. Again, focus on this line. They divorced last month. ये है, ये वाला point है. ठीक है, they had met at a university and had been together for 6 years. ठीक है, they met, they had been together for 6 years, and now they are divorced. ठीक है, something that happened in the again in the past. So notice the difference between these sentences. When I got to the party, Peter went home. First I arrived, then Peter left. Whereas when I got to the party, Peter had gone home. Okay. When I got to the party, again those three lines. When I got to the party, past tense. Peter had gone home. Past perfect. Okay. So something that had already happened before this past movement. Now we'll do this activity later on. Okay, going back to the past perfect continuous. This tense is formed with the past perfect tense of the verb to be, which is had been, and the present participle of the verb, that is ing form. Unlike the past continuous and past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense is not used to indicate a state of mind, or feeling. Okay, so it does not tell any kind of state or feelings. For example, I had been studying. It had been raining hard for several hours and the streets got flooded. If it had not been raining, we would have gone to the park. Okay, so it shows something that is still going on, that happened, started in the past, that was happening in the past, and now it is continued. So been had been plus ing form of verb. Uses This tense is used to describe action that were going on in the past, as I've just mentioned, up until another action in the past happened. They are often used in the following situation. For example, number one, for an action that has occurred over a period of time having begun in the past, to describe an action which started and finished in the past before another past action. It is also regularly used in the reported speech where the present perfect continuous tense becomes past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so when we change it into reported speech, then usually present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Now, this is a kind of a list that I've shown here from taken from the internet. The examples are mentioned here. The examples of simple past tense: I went; past progressive या past continuous, I was going; past perfect, I had gone; and past perfect continuous, I had been going. Okay, so uses are also mentioned in front of it. So that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you so much.